Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have this idea of doing a Valentine bloom, swipe, blow. Not sure exactly how I'm going to execute it yet. But I have a little 8x8" canvas. And I think I'm going to use some pinks, a little bit of ultramarine. I have some rose quartz here. So let's see if I can do this. I can do 2 puddles to start with. This is my rose quartz extreme sheen. I'm gonna put down a little bit of this rouge, which is kind of a purplish magenta. It's not very much in there. Hoping I can get enough out. Should be able to get just enough. And these paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. My base paint is Glidden House paint, mixed 50% paint, 50% Floetrol. Put down some neon pink. And I'm going to put a touch of ultramarine in here. And put a little rose quartz on top of that. And here's my cell creator. How do you like those eyeballs? Pretty cute. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to blow it up and out. I forgot to tie back my hair, so I'm going to have paint in my hair. Is that good? Then I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and I'm going to put just a little bit more of my cell creator in here. And I am going to swipe it. Let's see if I can get it the right way. I'm going to get a hold of that. It's kind of bent. There we go. And I'm going to gently swipe it down to the center. Let's see if I can do that again. Tiny bit more of my cell creator. And just dip it in there. And swipe it towards the center, just very gently. Okay. Let's give that a minute to regain center. I'm just going to tilt it very slowly towards the corners. Still kind of sticking in the middle right there. I'm going to give it a minute. Get some really pretty lacing right there, very small lacing. See if we can bring it down a little. Just trying to maintain my shape a little bit here. Okay. Try and take it towards the corner. Don't know if I want to go all the way to the corner or not. We'll see how far it can stretch. And my cell creator is just golden acrylic paint mixed with Floetrol. Didn't put anything extra in it. Very slowly moving towards that corner. This is kind of going down here. I think I can straighten that out though. And bring it back down. Come on, you can do it. Put just a little bit of paint here so that I can get it to move. Just in that small area. To pull that color down. There we go. Try and push it towards that corner. It's very little paint on here, so it's not moving much at all. Just want to stretch it a little. Bring it back. Try and straighten this out a little bit. It's gone a little wonky on me, but I am not going to give up hope. Okay. Set it down here. And I'm going to get out my straw and I'm going to move it just a little bit more the way in the directions that I want it to go. Around. Now I'm keeping in mind I still have that cell creator on there that I want to move over the colored paint. So I'm blowing it very gently, trying to move it over. them to overlap just a little bit. It looks like a broken heart. Oh, that's pretty. I'm liking that. The shape's coming out really pretty. Some nice cells in there. I'm going to give this a torch. If I can find my torch, there it is. Just see if there's any bubbles in there. Anything that can be popped. Stretch it to open up those cells a tiny bit. And still keep the shape. It's looking pretty. I don't have a lot of giant cells in here, but there's some really pretty lacing. I love the way that ultramarine is mixing with the pearl and it's making a really pretty violet. Okay. Try and stretch it down this way a little bit. I'd like to see more color in here and I'm just not able to get it to open up. So maybe if I put a little bit more paint just on these outer edges, just one at a time like that. So I got it down to this part of the canvas nicely and kind of like to get it to stretch up a little bit more towards the top of my canvas. If I can get it to stretch, I can open up some of the little lacing. Looks like just my white paint is moving just a tiny bit. Get it down and over the corner. This is a very, very slow process. Okay. Try and recenter it a little bit. It didn't pull it too much, but just enough to help the composition a little. And pull it up this way. Just like that. And just for symmetry, I'm going to blow that out a little bit. There we have it, guys. I think it turned out very pretty. Let me know what you think. I like the lacing in it. I like the crazy jagged edges. I think it's super pretty. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. I will see you next time. Bye.